How to check if the two trees are equal in Haskell? So we need to write a function. I will call it equal, and its type signature. It takes some tree of type A and another tree of type A and returns a bool. And of course we need here some equality for type A, type class. So here I have some code from the previous video, don't look at this. Okay, we need to define equal function. Let's start from looking at some corner cases. Okay, the first corner case, if we run our equal, the one of the trees will be empty and other tree is also empty. In this case we can say that our trees are equal. Otherwise, if they have some tree which is empty and other tree is not empty, so it constructed with node constructor, this means that our tree is not equal. So we define tree like this here. It commented here because it defined in my pretty tree module, which allows me to print tree in a nice way like this. So, and another case, if it's a symmetric case of the previous case, then also our trees not equal. And what if we have two trees constructed with node constructor? Okay, the first tree and the second tree. Okay, in this case we can say that our tree is equal if A equals to B, so the roots must be the same. Okay, and also must be equal left subtrees and also must be equal right subtrees. Okay, so we need to hold these three conditions, and in this case we can say that our trees are equal. Let's try to compile this thing. Sorry, this is a binary tree. Let's fix this in our type signature and try again, and we done. And now let's try to compare some trees. Equal. So we have such a tree. It has name tier, and we can check that it's equal to itself. Okay, it's true because it is the same tree. And we have some another tree, tier R, I think. It's more complex tree like this. And let's check equality of tier and tier R. and they can see this is a false. So I think this thing should work at any case. And in the end, let's do our battery, the instance of EQ type class. So instance EQ, our battery, and they need to define our equality function, which is defined exactly like this thing, but we need to change this equal to real equal sign. Okay, like this, I think. Let's try to recompile. Battery. So, of course, here we have some battery of type A, and to check our equality, we need to also A must be in equality type class. So we need to add this thing here. So if we have some type A of in type class EQ, then we can implement the binary tree of A of type class EQ. Okay, and we're done. And now let's check, can we compare our trees? Yes, it works. So guys, thanks for watching. Push like button, push subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye.